Hello students, today I will discuss the first chapter. Name is Reproduction in Organism. Reproduction in Organisms. In this chapter, first I want to say about lifespan. What is lifespan? Lifespan, the period which begins from birth and ends with the natural death of an organism, is known as its lifespan. I want to say simply a organism. Suppose that this is organism, it born and grown up, then go youngest, younger and oldest age, then decline or going to death. The time has taken up to death is it is life span of particular livings. So it is called lifespan. Then some animal, particular animal's lifespan in this table. I want to say in this table, mayfly, a living organisms and lifespan. Mayfly 1 day. Mayfly is living for 1 day. Butterfly 1 to 2 weeks. Wheat plant 6 months. Crow 15 years. Dog 25 years. Banana tree 25 years. Human 100 years. Parrot 140 years. Banyan tree 200 years. These are some I am showing some lifespan of the organism. Then in this chapter I will discuss about reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is an important biological process by which an organism will give rise to another organism similar to itself. Is it clear? This is organism. Before going to be a dead, it produce या born mother cell, इसको mother कहेंगे और इस sister. It means every organism, every livings have the capacity to born same livings as itself. Some basic fact about reproduction are discussed. About reproduction, some basic facts which are discussing below. First point, reproduction is the process that ensures that species are continued from generation to generation. It leads to development of genetic variation. The most important points, reproduction is a process by which ensures that species are continued from generation to generation. One species who comes and taking part in the reproduction, it means it produces a same species like itself, and it leads some, in the case of sexual reproduction, particularly say it leads to the development of genetic variations. That is most important points. Genetic variation, it shows the evolution. Next point, this variation is genetics is herited during reproduction this variation is genetics is this variation in genetics is inherited during reproductions. Then reproduction in which only one parent is called asexual. Reproduction in which only one parent, the reproduction is produced, the reproduction is continued by one parent, there such type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. Next point, reproduction in which two parents of the opposite sex. Reproduction in which two parents of the opposite sex are involved in the fusion of male and female gametes is known as sexual reproduction. One is asexual reproduction, second is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction when occur, then male and female gametophytes are fused together. Such type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. And you can see clear your opinion, clear my opinion. First, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, for the example, this is amoeba. Amoeba nucleus is divided in two parts. Then cytoplasm, protoplasm is also divided in two parts, and ultimately the amoeba is divided into sister amoebae, two sister amoebae, and such type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. Here is no formation of gamete, male or female. Then next, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, male, female and male. Female produce ovum. Ovum is called female gametophyte. Gametophyte. And male is produce sperm. Male gametophyte is called male gametophyte. Then both male and female gametophyte are fused together, form a body is called zygote. Then zygote are developed, fused together, male and female form zygote. Then zygote may divided into multi-division or 2, 4, 8 called embryo. And this embryo develops a sister male or female. That is sexual reproduction. So today I deliver my lecture about reproduction in organism. What is reproduction? I tell you what is reproduction, what is lifespan, and some living organism. I show some living organisms lifespan. Students, you repeat the lesson, my lecture, which may not be possible to understand your side. Please consult on my YouTube channel. Thanks.